Hey viewers, welcome back to RETHEW Tech, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in technology reviews. Today we're diving into Apple's newest flagship phone, the iPhone 15 Pro. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design and display. The iPhone 15 Pro showcases Apple's continued commitment to sleek and sophisticated design. It features a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology for smoother scrolling and more responsive touch. The ceramic shield front and textured matte glass back come in 4 elegant colors: space black, silver, gold, and deep blue. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro is powered by the new A17 Bionic chip, offering unparalleled speed and efficiency. This chip is built on a 3nm process, making it one of the fastest mobile processors available. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, the iPhone 15 Pro handles it all with ease. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the iPhone 15 Pro's camera system. It boasts a triple lens setup with improved low-light performance and a new periscope-style telephoto lens, allowing for 10x optical zoom. Photonic Engine enhances image processing for stunning detail and vibrant colors. Even in challenging lighting conditions, battery life has always been a concern for smartphone users, and the iPhone 15 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a larger battery and improved energy efficiency, you can expect up to 20% more usage time compared to its predecessor. Plus, the introduction of USB-C charging allows for faster charging and greater compatibility with other devices. Other noteworthy features include enhanced water and dust resistance, Face ID advancements, and iOS 17, which introduces new software capabilities like improved widgets, customizable lock screens, and a more intuitive user interface. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro is a powerhouse packed with cutting-edge technology. Its elegant design, top-tier performance, and advanced camera system make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. However, with its premium price tag, it's essential to consider whether these upgrades meet your personal needs. Thanks for watching this review on RETHEW Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time.